In this video, I'll show you how to use the scanner of your Canon Pixma TR4755i printer. I'll show you how to scan documents to your phone, or show you how to scan them to your PC computer if you prefer that. And this scanner also comes with two scanners, the flatbed and the feeder, so I'll show you how to use both depending on what you need. Regardless if you're wanting to scan to your phone or your PC, they'll need to be connected to the same internet as the printer. So I'll put some links in the description with videos I have showing how to do that. To scan using your phone, download the Canon Print app, connect your printer, select the scan button from the home screen, and then you can change some of the settings if you want to. You can change it from document to photo. You can change it to color or black and white if you want. And then you can change the size of the paper if you wanted to. So once you have your settings configured, press scan in the top left, and we're now ready to complete the scan. So I'll show you how to scan using the flatbed. First of all, we'll close this over and lift the lid like this. Then get your document you want to scan and place it face down on the glass, the side that you want to scan. Once you've done that, press it into the top left of the printer. I'll show from a better angle. You want to press it up against this arrow so that it is aligned with the printer's scanner. Then close the lid. Come back to your phone, and we're now ready to complete the scan. So just press this blue scan button and you'll get a confirmation message that it's scanning, and then you should hear the printer in the background begin to scan. It shouldn't take too long, around 20 seconds or so. Then when it's done, we'll get a preview. Here we are. So this is a preview of the scan, and it also says to continue scanning, load the next page, but we'll just use the automatic document feeder if we're scanning more than one page. So press exit when you're complete, and here is the scan result. If you press this button in the bottom left, you can choose to save it as a JPEG or a PDF depending on your needs. We'll save it as a PDF. Then from here you can choose to email it to yourself, or you can save it to your files, which we will do. So we will rename it and then save. If you're scanning more than one page, it's better to use the automatic document feeder as it saves time. So to do that, you're going to flip this lid at the top of the printer like this, and then to adjust the size of the paper, you would push this outwards for normal A4 paper so that it fits. And with the automatic document feeder, it works the opposite way to the flatbed. So you need to place it face up the side you want to scan so that it's facing the ceiling. And then we're going to glide it in until we hear a beep from the printer. I'll show from a different angle once again. You're gliding it inside here, like this. And then you will hear a beep. Now the process is pretty much the same. You just click scan once again, and it will recognize that there is something in the automatic document feeder, and it will take the first page, as you can see, and start to scan it. So you can do this with as many pages as you want. It's up to you. And once the first page is scanned, it will be brought out at the bottom like this, and then the second page will be taken. And you can see on your phone that it's scanning page 2 now. And the second page is now brought out the bottom of the printer. Once the scan is complete, you'll get a preview once again, and then you'll see in the bottom right this time that it says pages 1 out of 2 because we scanned 2 pages. So you can swipe to see the other scanned pages, and then to save you press this button once again and you can save it as a JPEG or a PDF. Now I'll show you how to use the scanner to scan documents to your PC computer. So with the printer connected to your Wi-Fi, come to the printers and scanners page in your settings, and if you open up the printer, you'll see that you have the Canon TR4755i series settings, you have the fax settings, and then you also have the scanner settings. So this first option is either going to say open scanner or get scanner. This is dependent if you have the Windows Scan app or not. So if it says get scanner, you'll need to open up the Microsoft Store and search for the Windows Scan app just here. So you can open it up directly through the Microsoft Store, or you can open it up by pressing open scanner in the printers and scanners section. So this is what it looks like. You'll want to make sure that the correct printer is selected. Then if you click on this, you can change between flatbed or the feeder. We'll do the flatbed first. And you can change the file type. You can also change the DPI. So if you were scanning something like a photograph and you wanted the best detail possible, you would choose 600. But for a text document, 150 DPI is fine. So now we're going to scan this to our PC. Simply lift the lid for the printer like this and place the document face down on the printer's scanning glass and push it to the top left to align it with the arrow at the top. Once you've aligned it, go ahead and close the scan. Then coming back to your PC, you can either choose to get a preview first. So if you click this button on the left, it's going to scan a preview, but this won't actually save it to your PC. This is only going to show you what it looks like. So here we are, that's what it looks like. And if you're happy enough, you can come to the button on the right and click scan, which will save it to your PC. Once it's done, you'll get a confirmation on the top right saying that it's saved to whatever folder. You can click view, or you can go to the folder itself and open it. And here we are. So if I just zoom in, you can see how it turned out. So to use the automatic document feeder, if you have more than one page, it's best to use this. So in the Windows Scan app, if you click on source and select feeder, we can also change the file type to a PDF. To access the feeder, flip up this lid like this, and then we're going to place the document face up, so it's the opposite of the flatbed. You want to place it face up like this, and then you'll hear a beep when it's in correctly. So you want to glide it in here, and make sure you push the paper towards the right so that there is a bit of a gap here on the left hand side so that it scans properly. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the scan button in the Windows Scan app, and you'll get a confirmation that it's scanning, and then you'll be able to see that the first page is being pulled and scanned into the printer. Once the first page is scanned, you should get a confirmation message on your PC. Just below where it says scanning, it says first page complete. And now it's going to take the next one until it's done. And here we are, both pages have now been successfully scanned. And you can see in the top right that we can now choose to view it. And here we are. So this is the first page that was scanned. Then if I scroll down, here is the second one. So that's how to use the scanner from your Canon Pixma TR4755i printer.